Alrighty then. 60-some degrees out there on a February. Unheard of for this part of the country this time of year. You know what that means. We gotta get out of here. Go work on some bikes.
Death ride the bike, but you can't catch me. Death ride.
Seriously, we're gonna take these, been trying to get some racks hooked up. We're gonna try to put these, attachment components on my Critical. See how that works out.
We got a road bike. It's actually a Critical. Fixed gear single speed. What I want to do, put this rack on there. Now a normal rack would never fit on there. The way I had it on there before, on my other bike, was I cut some of these extenders off of another rack, and I had them running right down in here on the bolts. Not a good idea. So what I'd like to do, get this here rack to mount up like so. Now, there is no eyelet holes anywhere on this frame, which is a pain. But I'm thinking, a little adjustment. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. Now I got these other little clamps that normally would work on a regular bike. But no. Not here. In order to get that diameter right, I'm gonna have to manufacture a piece. My only other option would be to drill some eyelet holes right there. I don't like that option. Alrighty then, welcome to the old workbench. Remember that Critical downstairs? Trying to get those racks on there. It's a road / street bike, so there's no mounts or eyelet hose. So I'm manufacturing, taking some pre-existing mounts, and we're gonna modify them and manufacture our own, which is what we're doing here. Snipping these down. Alright, down. And I've already been working on this other one, obviously, since the last time we chit-chatted here. And as always, we're not looking for perfection. What we're gonna do next is, sand down these corners, grind down these corners. So I'm gonna get the little rotary tool out and grind that off. And then we'll take these downstairs and see if they fit down in the old dungeon. Alrighty then, we get the little Dremel tool out, the little rotary tool. This is actually a win. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go around these edges, smooth them down a little bit, so that when we get them on the bike, we're not snagging our britches on them or scraping our leg on them or whatever. Let's make them a little purtier, a little rider friendly. isn't totally necessary, but I'm gonna clean it up anyway since it's my personal bike. I'm particular like that. Steel wool. Alrighty then. I think it's about ready to see if we can mount us a rack up on that critical finally. Alrighty then. Let's get out of here.
Alright. Alrighty then. And that, I believe, is going to allow me to put a rack on this here road bike.